Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to set volume for individual apps on your Windows 11 PC or in laptop. So for this guys, you don't need to do any extra hard work or you don't need to download any extra third-party app tool on your PC. So just follow this easy and simple method. If you want to set volume for individual app, so first of all you need to open that app. Okay, after open your Windows settings. So you can open the Windows settings using the shortcut key. Hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. It will open your settings like this. In the settings, go to system, and in this system, in the right panel you can get the option sound. Just click on it like this, and then guys scroll down and find out volume mixer like this. Okay, and click on it. Now here guys, you can get your all open apps on your PC, as you can see guys. So if you want to set the volume for individual app, from here you can easily able to set that like this. Okay, so extend this, or here you can get more option, output device, input device like this. So as per your choice comfortable, you can able to do the settings for that particular app. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method to set the volume for individual apps on your PC. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.